Welcome to my bubblegum braid tutorial. It's also known as a zigzag, a diamond, and a diamondback braid. I am using 4 different ribbons. I have pre-cut and stacked them in a specific order for the pattern I'm using. I will put all measurements in the description for you. So it's very simple, it's just kind of time consuming. You want to make sure you meet up your ends like this, and then you want to crease them right in the middle. Then we're going to take both of our ends and fold it into that crease. Make sure you get it all the way in there, so you have like a heart. And I'm pushing them down. I want to make sure I've got them all the way in there, and then I'm going to go like this and pinch them so it looks like this. Set that one aside. Move on to your second one. Again, I want to make sure they meet up. It's really important when you cut these strips that you cut them straight across. If you do them at an angle, they're not going to fit into that crease correctly. So try to cut these as straight as possible. So again, I'm creasing it in the middle. I'm folding it to where it looks like a heart, but I'm getting those inside there all the way. Make sure it's straight, even. Work your way up and just give it a pinch. So it looks like that. Now you have 2, and you're going to fit your 2 sides. You got 1 side on this and 2 on this one. So 1 and 2. I'm going to fit my 2 into the 2 of this one, just like that. So again, I'm going through those 2 holes, and then you want to pull them and make sure that they're meeting up as close as they can. They can't move any further. And then you can go ahead and staple it so it doesn't go anywhere. And this is going to be your bottom one, and then we're going to work off of this one that's still open. When I did my measurements, I did it off this ribbon, and so this one's a little bit wider and it's affecting the length. They need to be a little bit longer. So the way I can fix this without wasting all these is I'm going to continue to do it like this, pinch the middle, fold them in, make sure they're together, but instead of keeping them inside the whole way, I'm going to pull them out just a hair. So I don't know if you can see that. I've just left a little bit of room. Now I'm going to pinch, and I'm going to see if this will give me a little bit more room to work with. You want these ribbons to fit snugly together so the braid is nice and tight and it doesn't move all around. It looks more professional that way. So I suggest that you just play with it until you find the right length for yours. I'm giving you the lengths of mine, but not all ribbons are made exactly the same. As I showed you, some of my ribbons are a little bit off on the width. I've got some that are 1 1/4, some are 1 5/16, and some are 1 1/2. So you have to give a little bit on the lengths. And if you use my tip there to move it around before you pinch it, it will help that.